stop being scared, right? As you can see here, first touch on the zone, second touch on the zone, 30 touch on the zone. I actually entered here because you can see that I put my my uptrend zone, and my uptrend zone was broken right here, and this is where I entered right here. Now in a profit of 50 pips, but I'm willing to kill the market all the way to this point right here, which is going to be something about 200 pips. Yo, what's going on, gang? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Juba Snipe. I'm back with another video for you guys. As you guys know that, guys, I promise you guys that I'm going to teach you guys how to trade for free. So if you beginner or if you got any experience but you still losing in the market, listen, on this channel right here, you are at the right place. All you need to do is to subscribe to the channel and join free Telegram group. If you feel like you want to join the team, join free Telegram group. Send me the message on Telegram, right? If you feel like you're still losing, bro, you can join me, you know what I'm saying, and then we do this shit together, you know what I'm saying. It's very easy. You don't need to lose your capital, you know what I'm saying. Join the team. Let's make this man together. You learn when you earn. You earn when you learning. Easy like that. So I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to find this trade right here, which is GBP AUD. I'm killing it as we speak. You know, as we speak, I'm killing it. We're already in a profit of something about. Let me check right quick, guys. Let me check right quick. Something about how many pips are these ones? Boom. All right, we're already in a profit of 60 pips, and we expect to kill it all the way to 200 pips. So guys, let me tell you something that you didn't know, right? Losing is not a problem. The problem is how much are you losing, how much were you going to win. All right, let's say you took two pairs, all right, and then you lose one, you won one, right? The one which you lose, how much was the stop loss? The one you won, how much was the TP? All right, let's say you took two pairs. One was just 30 pips of the stop loss, and then that stop loss was hit it, and the other one, the one which you won, was like 100 pips and 150 pips. The one which you lose doesn't matter because you already cover your profit, and then you already cover a loss and you earn another profit. So this is how you deal with the loss and the wins. A loss must not be more than wins. So let me show you how I was able to find this trade right here. Guys, I do everything to teach you guys, to make you guys smart. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? To make you guys smart in mind, so that you guys can become better trader. Copy everything that I'm showing you guys. This is how I win. This is how I do my things. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to the video, bro. But make sure, please subscribe to the channel, because if you don't subscribe to the channel, and if you guys don't like my videos, you know, I won't have that energy, you know what I'm saying, to show you guys some secrets, you know what I'm saying. So if you want to unlock some secrets, comment below. Let me know what you think about the videos that I'm doing for you. And if you got any idea of the video, guys, you guys want, you know what I'm saying, you must leave the comment below. Let me know, please, Juba, do this kind of video for us. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Don't be scared, you know what I'm saying. Just let me know, you know what I'm saying. I'm here for you. I do what you guys want. I don't do what I want, you know what I'm saying. I do what you guys want. So let me show you how I was able to find this this trade right here. This is the trick that which you don't want to miss. So subscribe, like the video. Let's get the video. All right, gang, as you can see, guys, we here. This is the you can see here, this is the GBP AUD, you know what I'm saying. I just decided to do this for you guys so that you can be able to understand. So you can see this was my first touch and my second one. After the second one to the zone, and then I pull up this zone right here. You know what I'm saying? I put up this zone right here. So guys, when you see this type of video, guys, don't think like this has been like it's just for today. This is not for today, bro. I've been waiting for a while, you know what I'm saying, because since I saw these two touch right here, this double top right here, You can see the double top here, the first one and second one. This day, bro, I just, throw this zone, what I'm saying, which I waited, what I'm saying, I waited for more than a week. And then the market has been shooting down, this kind of, because, guys, this was a very, very, very strong. It's also a strong signal. Once you find like double top on the market, it's also a very strong signal. You can also take it once you find it. This is the secret. Once you find the double top in the market, bro, chop it. So, and then I waited. It's been dropping, and at the end of the day, start on giving me uptrend. I remember I did catch this one from here. I exit at this point right here, and then I disappeared from the market, from this market of GBP I didn't appear here again. All right, and then once I came back about today, I find the market is already back to the zone. This is why I started paying attention. Then I was like, yo, cool. This was yesterday, right? This was yesterday. And then I saw it. I was expecting maybe it's gonna hit this the zone, the trend line right here, and shoot on uptrend. But even if it was gonna shoot on uptrend, I wasn't gonna enter the market until the market break this zone right here. But the market couldn't break it. Then it just decided to break the trend line. And once the market break the trend line right here, bro, as you can see, this is 4-hour time frame right here. It's 4-hour time frame. Once I switch on lower time frame, I find the signal is already. Let me show you guys. Let me show you on 30-minute time frame. You can see, guys, on 30-minute time frame. You can see on 30-minute time frame how it's looking like. This is how it's looking like. You know what I'm saying? The market was already black the trend line, you know what I'm saying, and gave us some retest and give us some confirmations, candlesticks right here. Then I just put in my stop loss right here, and then, you know what I'm saying, I swing, you know what I'm saying. Now in a deep profit, guys, in a VIP group, you know what I'm saying, trust me, in a very deep profit. And this is the trick, guys, don't want to miss. This is the trick, you know what I'm saying, this is the trick. And now, as you can see, let me switch on high time frame so that you can be able to see everything clear, you know what I'm saying. So, guys, now you can see we're expecting to kill this market from here all the way, guys, all the way. This is going to be a TP1. This one right here is going to be a TP1, TP2, and TP3. Guys, it's 250 pips. And this one, TP3, TP1, TP2, TP3, 250 pips. Guys, this is how you deal with the loss, you know what I'm saying. You deal with the loss. And I got another one right here. It's also showing the same thing, as you can see here. It's also showing the same. And I did share all these signal, guys. I did share them on my Instagram, on my Facebook page, and everywhere. So if you haven't followed me yet on Facebook, you can also follow me on Facebook, you know what I'm saying. Just type in FX Juba Snipe. You will find me on Facebook, you know what I'm saying. Follow me on Facebook. I also share all the secrets over there, you know what I'm saying. You don't need to miss this, you know what I'm saying. So this is how you deal with the loss, you know what I'm saying. This is how you deal with the loss and the wings. Make sure how you see I just took the risk of this 35 pips right here to make 200 pips. So you need to do the same thing. The market at which you're willing to take, it must be something like this. So if you took like 3 trades of them and then you lose, even if you can lose two of them, bro, and then you win one, bro, you're still gonna be profitable because you will never lose your capital, bro. You will always make profit, you know what I'm saying. Let's say I took 3 of these trades and then I lose 2 of them. I only won 1. 2 of them, my stop loss was 70 pips, but I finally made 250 pips by just only 1 pair which I won, you know what I'm saying. You see, I'm still in a profit, bro. So this is how you must do it, bro. Losing is not a problem. The problem is how do you lose? What type of trade are you losing? Guys, this is the reason why, guys, I don't recommend you guys to scalp the market. So I'm gonna trade like this. Once the market hit this point right here, then I'm gonna lock my profit. Even now, I already lock my profit. You know what I'm saying? I already locked my profit. So yep, this is how it is, guys. So if you like this type of content, please leave the comment below. Let me know if you really like it. Then I will do more for you guys, because I do what you guys want. And if you guys don't want it, you don't put the likes, which means you guys don't want it. And I'm not gonna do it again. And I said, I'll find something else to do. And I said, but if you guys like it, let me know. Like, I like this content, do this, do more of these ones. Then I'm gonna do it for you guys if you feel like you wanna learn more about this. But it's very important, by the way. So see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.